Eduardo. So the problem you sent me was a little too complicated to send you everything through text. So I'm doing this little video for you. So this is your math problem. Bear with me because I know the picture is not excellent. I try to make it as best as possible to match your pictures. So your question is find the volume of the composite figure. So volume is a three-dimensional shape. We have right here a rectangular prism, and we actually have a composite figure, means various parts. So in this case we have two rectangular prisms, so we have to look at this problem as two problems in one. So let's start with our formula for volume. Our formula for volume is length times width times height. So if we look at this figure first, we see that our height is actually this part right here. So they're not telling us what that measurement is in inches, but they're giving us a measurement of this whole thing, which is 5 inches. So we can make a conclusion that since this is 5, we know this little piece right here, because this piece is all this, which is telling us over here that that's 2 inches. So if this is 2 inches, the remainder that makes 5 is this height, which would be 3 inches. So we can mark this as being the height of 3 inches. Then we're missing the length of that. And if you notice, this has to match all this. So if this is 4 inches, this must be 4 inches. So this must be 4 inches. And now we can make a problem of volume is the length, 4 inches, times the width, which is 2 inches, times the height, which is 3 inches. That would be 4 times 2 is 8, times 3. Our volume for that rectangular prism is 24 inches. So I told you that this is two problems in one. So now we need to look at this as a separate piece. So now we have to find the volume for that one. So we already have our formula here. So we're gonna do the exact same thing. So for this one, we know that our length is gonna be this, which is 8 inches, right? And then in this case, our height is this part right here, which is 2 inches. And our width in this case is this part, which is our 4 inches. So our multiplication problem would be this. So now we would have 8 times 4, 32. 32 times 2. The volume of that must be 64 inches. But since this is together, what do you think we need to do with these two? Add them, right? So now we're gonna add our 24 inches plus our 64 inches, and that's gonna be 8, 6, 7, 8. That's gonna be a total of 88 inches for that figure. So I hope that was helpful. Any questions or anything, just send me another text. Okay, bye. See you next Wednesday for our private tutoring. Bye.
Hi everyone, I'm Ms. Lala, your future math teacher. You need math tutoring services, either for yourself, son, daughter, somebody? Hit me up, I got you.